Hey everyone, just got some mail and I wanted to share with you guys. Love it. It's a box, so I'm curious to see what's inside. It's from Illinois, so I think I have an idea who it's from, but let me try and open this. All right. Thank you, Greg. Absolutely. It's just, thank you so much. Look at this. Okay, so this, everybody, is from Ausland, the country down under. I'm going there in a few days, so this is so cool. There's the Aussie flag. Pro Street Restoration. Big shout out, you guys. That's a shop in Hunter Valley, which is in the state of New South Wales. So I got 2 caps, super cool. I do like my caps, so yep, this is awesome. Again, Greg, thanks a lot, man. I met Greg, everybody, at I think it was in Iowa at it was a private car collection, Dennis Alberg, his private convertible collection from 1974 all the way from to 1974, from 1904 to 1974. He's got every type of car that was a convertible, one of each one, and a beautiful Tri-5 collection, of course. But Greg, I love this. 2 caps and shirts. 2 shirts. Oh man, that is so cool. All right, check this out. I think Greg sent me a message, said he was sending something for me and my boy. So there's one, and then there's a smaller one for my son. Look at that. Oh, that's just brilliant. Pro Street Restoration, prostreet.com.au. Check out their stuff. I mean, I love it. I can't wait to start wearing it. Thank you, Greg. Big shout out to Pro Street Restoration. Thank you so much. Absolutely love it. And you'll definitely see me wearing it around because, I mean, it's pretty cool. It's not just cool. I mean, look at the stitching. It's very nice hat, to say the least. On the topic of opening up packages, I also got my F100 calendar today. So this is pretty cool, from F100 World. Craig and Candace, let's have a look to see what you guys have done. It's pretty cool. 2023 calendar to get all of my car shows in order and start scheduling once I get the package opened. This is hard. Here we go. Should have some scissors. All right, check it out. Here's the calendar. This is super neat. All F100 trucks do like the F100s, if you guys didn't know that. That's just cool. That is just brilliant. I want to show you guys all the pictures. If you haven't got it, head over to f100world.com, f100world.com. I will put the link up as well, and I'm sure Craig will correct me. But super cool calendar, and wow, that's a nice one. That's nice. This is really good because it gives me ideas of for a second, I thought that might have been Craig's truck there. Probably is. Yeah, very cool pictures. I mean, it's just, yeah, it's, look at that one. July is my birth month. Super cool. And these are the kind of angles that I like when I'm taking pictures. So yeah, no, this is really cool. And of course, when you get it, be sure to check it out in September. You've got my channel there as well, Rana's Raiders there for classic car shows, videos. But yeah, absolutely love it. Now I can start scheduling my 2023 car show season. Awesome.